So check this out. You can literally control your iPhone with just your eyes. You don't have to tap on your screen. You don't have to click on anything. You can basically literally control your iPhone with just your gaze. Basically, you can just look at anything right here and it's going to open it. You can just scroll through stuff with your eyes and it will be able to identify where you're looking at based on your eyes, which is kind of crazy but also interesting at the same time. So I'm going to show you guys how you can set this up and take advantage of this feature. Alright, so first and foremost, make sure you have the latest iOS. So go ahead and open up your settings and then go to general and just check if you have any updates here. If you do, make sure you update to the latest iOS. Once you have done that, if you scroll down to accessibility, this feature is hidden inside the accessibility because this feature is meant to be for those who have difficulty maybe using their hands or whatnot. So this is a really cool feature that Apple integrated into the iOS 18 that you guys can turn on and control your iPhone just with your eyes, with your gaze, which is kind of, you know, mind-blowing to be honest. If you just go ahead and turn this on, it's going to basically set up a quick little test that you need to do, like a screen test, just to follow around. You have to follow around these dots with your eyes, just like so. So it's going to basically move from top to bottom, almost like half an inch across the screen, and you'll just need to follow with your eyes and make sure you don't move your device while you're doing the screen. Make sure your hands are firm, or maybe even better, put it on the desk and just follow through with your eyes. You just need to hold your gaze for a few seconds at that dot while it's shrinking right there. And last one, I believe, in the center, and boom. So once you have done that, the test is officially completed, and now you can just control your device, your iPhone, completely with your eyes. And here are some settings that you guys can tweak, like snap to item or zoom on keyboard keys. If you like, you can just make the keyboards bigger so that you can type with your eyes. So it's also a really useful feature. And this one, make sure this one is on because this is a dual control. Helps you maintain your gaze still for a specific duration. It will perform that action. For example, if you want to click on a certain app, you have to just stare at that and then just close your eyes for a second and it's going to open it. Let me demonstrate to you guys. Let's say I want to open up Mail app right there, which is really, really nice. But you guys get the idea. You guys can basically do anything from swiping to opening specific apps and so on and so forth. It's a really cool feature that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope this video was interesting and just show you the potential of iOS. So leave me a big thumbs up because it really helps the channel out, and subscribe down below for more interesting content just like this one. And in the meantime, check out these videos. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out.